Excuse me for my cat in advance. Because those two are at it. One's in heat, both females, and she's annoying as fuck. What's going on, everybody? It's Lightning Dutchman here, and today we're on ebisu minami in the 80C cars, and I set myself a challenge. I wanted to do a sweet ass jump entry and clear the wall, maybe rub the wall, see how far we get. It's even running fourth through here. That's nice. I've not been on Minami that much on this game. I downloaded the map because you have to have it as a drifter, but this is because this is a popular server now, so there's a lot of people online. This is actually a track I get to drive now. Ah! Coming up on the inside. I think I should have hit fourth through there. The line was perfect though, if I was able to hold that a little bit longer. Yeah, it just holds fourth, so why not? Somebody to tandem with. Ah. Just trying to save him there. Give him a little tap. Fourth. Oh, not enough flick on the initiation. There we go. Alright. Round 2. 3. Third time's the charm. So satisfying. Just dumping in forward, foot down. Just swing the car. Third to pull a little bit more inside. Alright, here we go, fourth gear. Oh! Running this a little wide though. I wish it wasn't as wide in the beginning. It was a good run though. Let's see if we can get that a little bit more outside to the wall. That'll be perfect. Also, let me know what you think of the wheel cam. I mean, is it added value? Because otherwise I don't have to edit it in. I think so though. Also, let me know what you think of the 80C car pack. Oh, still in fourth, doing the whole track in fourth. Tires must have heated up now. There we go! There we go! Back to third. Back to third. Up to fourth. Here we go. That was a little bit too much of a tap. That was good though. That was like 90 degrees on the wall. But the tap was a little bit too hard, which pushes me forward, so I had to like handbrake to extend it. Otherwise, if I kept on the throttle, I would have definitely be coming up short on the inside. But that little bit of extra power through there. Oh, nope. Nope. There was a train, right? Yes, there is. Ah, fuck out of here. Let me just run a little catch-up line. Get in his pocket. Going wide. Oh, keep it in, keep it in, keep it in. Right back onto this man's door. No! Misshift, damn it. Could have just shifted up and got back on his door. Damn it. Well, I don't have to shout him out because apparently his Instagram is right there. So I don't know who you are, but nice tandems. Oh no! You saw that? I was like 90%, 90 degrees on the wall, and I don't know if I was able to catch it, but I got a little tap that makes me over rotate. He made me spin. Never mind. Yeah, that was too much angle, or too less angle, and too fast over the bump. Oh, you want to follow me? That's cool. Ah, that setup was all wrong. Sorry, man. Also, that car is loud being behind you. I'm struggling to get the to hear my own car. Yes! Oh, that was my bad. Slowed down too much there. Nice! I want to shout out your name, but that will get me demonetized, bro. I just realized. Oh, always have it on like a quick button. As soon as something happens like that, I could have gotten out of the way maybe even earlier. That was my bad, but You can just respawn back to pits, so anyone that's flying into there don't have a problem like hitting into you because you're still in the way. It's I'm happy for you, man, that you realize that your legs are getting longer. All right, get in that pocket. One more good solid lap. Nope, nope, nope. My tires were fucked. Felt like wasn't able to keep up with the guy. I think it will also be easier if I just do this. Yeah, we just have a little breather. And there we go. I don't care about that guy. He hit me so many times. DP! And now he doesn't want to lead anymore. Alright. Then just one more jump drift. And that'll be it for today. Come on! Too wide. Yep. Sometimes you hit it, sometimes you don't. Started off really good, now you're getting, I don't know. Look at them wheels though. Woo! This car's so sexy. Alright. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Also, I'm doing like video game drift car content uploads every midweek, real life content every weekend. If you're interested in joining us in a virtual session, there's a link to the Discord in the description. Like I said, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace. Whether you like it or not.